I don't know what that means. Anyway, we're going to do a quick session here on how to do lead pages, how to start, and what you should do, some creative ideas to get you going. So lead pages, when you have the actual account, you got lead pages. This is where all of your, create a new one, you know, all of your lead pages are going to be. Lead box. Let's see if we can get into that. So a lead box is when you want to go in, I'm going to make sure because I haven't really used this that much, but a lead box, pretty sure when you're trying to do an affiliate or some type of concept online, it helps you have a lead box. So you create one and then you can use this link on your website. So I think that that's what that does. I haven't really used that one, but lead links. Okay, so lead links. So yeah, lead box is if you want to do a pop-up on your actual website, you know, a capture thing, you would create one in here, then take the information, follow the directions, and then put it into your website. Now, lead links. If you're doing an affiliate or some type of JV partnering session, you create your process here, your opt-in, you use this link and this information here, you take it, so when someone signs up, you get their email and the person that's having the event gets an email also, okay? So it's that same concept, those two together. So you're building your list as you're helping someone else and make money, and they're getting the email and you're getting a list too to build also at the same time. So lead digits. Lead digits is when you want someone to text information in. I don't use this as much as I should. You can create a number or a name, right? So 7-day detox. And how you do that is very simple. You go in, you say, hey, text the number 33444, the word 7-day detox, and you're going to get the blueprint so that you can follow and track your days and detox and really feel engaged, right? And so then you just set everything up step by step. You put a little message custom, you know, opt-in instruction there. You go to the next page, and then you can do some opt-in options, right? I'm using my MailChimp. I give my email list. You can customize this part there. And this shows you exactly what email you're going to be, they're going to get the information from, you know, everything that you're going to be seeing so that you know everything's correct and how they'll see it. And then you save it. So it's that easy. So when we go into our lead pages, what you want to do when you're doing a drag and drop concept, let's go into, so, oh my God, I had a ton of visits in there. Let me see. All right, so let's go into this. I think this is the right one. I may not want to be in this one because if this is an old one, I'm not going to want to be in this. So let me just check and see. And I like to test things and go through the process so you can see if that's really going to work for you. And this is taking forever. It's probably because my computer has a ton of stuff working. Okay, you know, this is great. This is drag and drop. So this is my, I did it a while and then I kind of left it hanging. So I'm going back to really make sure I'm integrating more into this and focusing on building this one. So this is Mentor for Millions, Shatter Your Self-Sabotage Shenanigans in a live 4-week mastermind. And what that does is it's going to help you clear up your actual, this is, you know, preview. It's going to help you clear up all of that nonsense and so you can start taking action, right? So this is like a sales page, right? But I want to give you some great tips. So when you are setting up a drag and drop, you can do all this incredible stuff. It's so amazing. So when I want somebody to join, this is the box, right? So when I click it, you'll get a link here. And this is where you're going to put your either PayPal account, your quick link, or if you want them to actually go somewhere else, if you want to direct them somewhere else to another page, right? That you can, this can be that, or it can go to another page, like a checkout page, right? Where other options are. That's your choice. So I'm trying to think if I have one that just has a pop-up box on here. So join, yeah. All right. So this one, and that's the same one. So I want to go in and get the pop-up box. Hold on, let me see if this is it. I don't know if this one has it. I want to get a box that just opens up that you can put in your information and collect the emails. I know I have one of these, but maybe I don't. Yep, no, they're all pay buttons. I thought I had one that was just like, and all right, so that's not going to work. But anyway, so if you're doing an opt-in box, you can do the tracking. Let me see if I can get it to come up on here. So your SEOs on this side, you can have Mentor for Millions, you know, your describe your page, the keywords, and then Facebook, whatever picture you want to put on there. These are all the information that's going to come up. So when you use your link, you want to make sure that you have this all set up, because then that's going to generate that, you know, eye-catching opportunity that people want. And you can also, when you have a button like that and someone clicks it and it opens up and it captures there's emails, you can go through and do the same thing on this side with that box. Analytics, so you're going to put like your Facebook pixel in there, you're going to put in, you know, anything you want to track in this section over here. You have a center page where there's the website activity tracking code that you can use, and you have the SEO, that's where we started, so that, you know, anyone that uses these keywords will come to your system. And then we have styles. So you can change the font in here, you can do the background, you can change the image. Like I have in here the option of having my picture back there. So when it scrolls, you know, it has this awesome feature of me being back there behind there, which is so, so, so cool. And this is where you do that right there in that area, right? And then you have a layout button. And the layout button lets you go in and, you know, really go in and delete or, you know, duplicate or do any of those things, and it will highlight the area of the box that you want to. So that's really key when you're doing a sales page or something like that. Then you have the widgets. And the widgets are just extra things. If I wanted to float some more text over, I would do that, and the text would pop up there. So I can use all these extra features in building my sales page, right? So that was just some really quick information that I want you to go into and understand the process of that. So I'm going to get out of this because later I will do another one, and I'm going to show you how to build a sales page. And so this was just, if you have Leadpages and you've got the upgraded version, it's going to have all this information. You also do get sub accounts where you can have people purchase those sub accounts, and you can make monthly income off of that. And when you click this arrow down here, this is where you have jobs, you can find jobs, you can partner with people, you can do marketing, you can build your own template, you can host affiliate webinar, you have to have a big following for that. You can sell templates, my templates, purchases if you made any. So this is where you want to add your integration, meaning your your MailChimp or your ConvertKit or anything like that. So you want to be adding any of this information in here. And if you Drip is the new thing that they feature here. There's Webinar Jam. So if ConvertKit or some new process that captures emails not on here, you would do this, click that, watch the video from the software person you're using, ConvertKit, and then copy and paste your software in there, okay? So you can be connected to as many of them as you need. Constant Contact, Mad, Mimi, all kinds of things, right? So when you would go in, you would put like that information, the IP, the user that you used for that, and you would be connected, right? So I'm going to go back to that and that's just what I showed you, is just how to get in there. Go to webinars, any of those types of partnerships that you need. So if I want to add a lead magnet delivery, that would be my freebie. I would be going in here and doing my freebies, right? And so this is how we do our freebies. And so what you would do is just simply upload a new file. It captures anything from your actual email, from your copy, and then from there you will have the file come up here. And then when you go back and you're doing a lead page, you attach that file in there. I'm going to show you really quick. So I need to go back to my Leadpages and show you how to attach something. I'm going to go into a page that is just for emails, just for an email capture. And I think that is going to be for my next summit, to get on the list for my summit. Okay, so Money Karma. No, that's not good. Self-worth. Okay, so this is it. So I know you can fast forward this video if you need to, but really quick, I'm just gonna jump in here really fast. Okay, cool. So here is a easy landing page, they call it, or an opt-in page. And right from here, where it's like a cool video and everything. So I would click, right? And now you're gonna see my lead box. So I don't know why it's not coming up, which it should. Interesting. Now they're supposed to be getting, why isn't this working? All right, so let me go back. Let me view and edit. Okay, so it should be fine. So I view and edit, I was just hitting the wrong thing. And this is where they opt in. You can make this however you want. You want to pull a picture in, you want to do all that, you can definitely do that. Then when you're here, you click that, and that brings over to this, right? Which will open up Edit Your Form. So you make sure you double click that. And then you want to add an integration. I do not know why this did not save from last time. Maybe because it wasn't the right thing. Okay, so we are going to pick whatever one I wanted in there. I'm going to put them in the funnel. I'm definitely going to have to put them in a different funnel. So let me see here. Let me trash that one. I don't want that one. So I want to add an integration in there, and any integration, so ConvertKit or anything you have will be up there. I don't know why that did that. Shouldn't have done that. So that they can get the email marketing. So for some reason, my ConvertKit is having a little issue here. So I just reconnected it. But I will do that later because I don't know why that's Not connected. Okay. So let's just go into MailChimp. We're going to just show you really fast. And all you want to do is, this is how you get a lead. Oh, of course it did want to go back there. Okay, so really fast. So I'm going to show you how to attach a lead magnet into your actual process, into your page, okay, into your landing page. All right, so you want to come down, you want to click this, click your link, view and edit. You want to click here. That's going to pull that up. Self-worth is the name, MailChimp. I'm just going to hit it in that one. And then, so I'm going to hit go to the next one, and then it's going to go to the thank you page, and then you can see right here, send a file to the user. So then I pick the file that I wanted people to use, right? Because it's going to show up all of them, the holistic wealth blueprint, and then I hit save or close. So they're getting that download or that lead magnet right there. So that's the way you want to do that. And this is a quick step-by-step process of you jumpstarting and wanting to use Leadpages, use the new feature, drag and drop, and so that you can get your actual process out there. I would say give yourself 30 minutes, take a break, come back another 30 minutes so you can finish, so you don't feel overwhelmed, and you can get your system going. Awesome. I hope that helps you. Make sure you come back and join the group. It's going to be Level Up Live. It's going to be Mentor for Millions mastermind. And in that group, Facebook group, we're going to be doing a ton of stuff and just getting people engaged and getting them in the process of using technology, but also, building your business that you love online, in the means that you have without feeling like you're, having a lot of pressure on yourself. So I'll talk to you later, everyone. I shall see you later. I'm going to end the meeting. Bye. Okay, so let's stop the share, and then I'll go back. Hi, so awesome. I hope that helped you. So that was a quick review of how you can do Leadpages concept of, having a new account and not knowing where to start. I kind of broke you down and gave you the basics and everything that you would need to move forward in your new adventure and get out there and really start collecting the emails and, build your audience and then be strategic about it, but, learn the process and move forward with what you want to do. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.